Welcome back. Now, if you are going to be using the screen sharing or the camera, what you'll notice when you are recording is that Microsoft Clipchamp has an area here called Speaker Coach. You can turn that element on, and basically, as you record, the Speaker Coach will be giving you suggestions on how you can improve what it is that you are recording. Now, for the sake of this video, the camera is being grayed out. However, we can turn on the camera as if it were on, and we can turn the speaker coach on. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on Turn on Speaker Coach. So now Speaker Coach is now turned on. What we are now going to do is we're going to click Enter, and we're going to record some video/audio. Recording video tutorials is fun. Recording video tutorials will give you the ability to reach your customer effectively. And once you have completed your video, you can click Review Speech, and the speaker coach will give you hints on how you can improve what it is that you are doing. So before you deliver your actual presentation in your video, it's a good idea to use Clipchamp with the speaker coach to determine how you can improve. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.